Guys, so I'm here right now, second session for my tummy, and I'm going to give you an update. I'm super excited. Second session pa, but then I know that I will be getting a lot of results. So excited! So guys, I'm back for my facial. So the last time that I had my vlog, I was there at Banilad, and right now I'm here at Skin 911 Mactan, and grabe na siya ko. Kaya natin sila branch dito sa Skin 911 sa Mactan mismo. So it's super near for me kay Lapu-Lapu City, and I'm super blessed to be here. So I'm going to have my facials and pagwapa kay Valentines Day na. So laban na. So first, we're having our cleansing session. Limpyuhan ng mga malas, guys. Hi, what's your name, madam?
Liza, ma'am.
Ma'am Liza.
Liza.
Liza. Ma'am Liz, ikaw na bahala sa akong pass.
Yes, ma'am.
So guys, while nag-facial ko, I'm having my second session for my tummy RF cavitation.
RF, no?
Cavi-RF. So, muna siya. So, muna siya ang nahitabo sa akong face karon. I'm going to give you an update pala later. Nikabot na lang sa balay sa akong tummy. And karon facial lang sa akong. Next, mag-prick ka. Alam gabal lang ito, guys. Pricking. So right now, nag-diamond peel me, guys. Kinuha namin sa pricking. Hi, mama. Sa akong second session. Guys, right now we're applying ice onto my skin because earlier we had the diamond peel for 5 minutes since my skin is super sensitive, so they opted to do the diamond peel for 5 minutes and then kanina dayon para pa-close pores. Hindot kaya ang feeling, guys. So pagwapa naman kay Valentine's Day na. Sagbalay rata, magpagwapa gyapon ta, guys. Next is
mag-mask ta, ma'am.
Mag-mask. Unsa ni siya nga mask?
Ordinary mask lang ni siya, ma'am. Whitening ra gyapon siya,
Okay.
pero light lang iyang pagkakuan. Set na ni siya sa imuhang diamond peel.
Pila ni ka minutes, ma'am?
5 to 10 minutes lang ni siya, ma'am.
Okay, 5
Mo
to 10
dry
minutes.
siya. Igo siya mo dry. Katang pampangin.
So, the benefits for this is skin whitening and vitamins. No?
Yes, ma'am. Pero ordinary ra ni siya, ma'am. Unlike na uban nga mask food for kuan ayang benefits kay collagen, anti-aging, lahi sa na siya.
It's so hard na, guys. Hindi ako kagsalita.
I-rinse na nato.
So, I'm done, guys. Super nindot kayang feeling. And ready na ko for Valentine's Day. Charot.
Ready na.
So, I'm done na, guys. Super nindot kayang feeling. And super fresh. Mura kong bagong mata kay fresh. Fresh ang peg. Chart. Go pa kayo. At para. So, I highly recommend, guys, magpagwapa mo. And then, ari din sa Skin 911, guys.